Hi friends, today we have a nice problem as we have given m plus n is equal to 6 into square root of mn. So we have to find out m ratio n, right? So let's start. As we have given m plus n is equal to 6 square root of mn, right? So we can write m plus n over 2 square root of mn is equal to here 3 over 1, right? Now we will use C and F rule, compounding and dividendo rule, right? As we have A over B is equal to C over D, right? So we can write it in another form as A plus B over A minus B is equal to C plus D over C minus D, right? So we will use this C and F rule, right? Now m plus n plus 2 square root of mn over m plus n minus 2 square root of mn is equal to 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 1, right? Here we used this rule C and F rule, right? So this m plus n plus 2 square root of mn is expression of root m plus root n whole square. If we express this, we get this form, right? Same way, denominator can be write as square root of m minus square root of n whole square, right, is equal to 2 over 1. Okay. Now square root of m plus square root of n over square root of m minus square root of n. We are taking square root of both the sides. So here square root of 2 over 1, right? Again we will use this C and F rule here, right? So square root of m plus square root of n, square root of m minus square root of n over square root of m plus square root of n into, here plus sign. We are using this C and F rule, okay? I am extremely sorry, plus, and here minus sign. Square root of m minus square root of n is equal to square root of 2 plus 1 over square root of 2 minus 1, right? C and F rule is applied here also, okay? Now this and this cancel out. So 2 square root of m over here this and this cancel out. So 2 square root of n is equal to square root of 2 plus 1 over square root of 2 minus 1, right? So square root of 2 over square root of n is equal to square root of m over this is equal to square root of 2 plus 1 over square root of 2 minus 1, right? Or squaring both the sides. Square root of m over square root of n whole square is equal to square root of 2 plus 1 over square root of 2 minus 1 square, right? So m over n is equal to, if we square this, so we get 2 plus 1 plus 2 square root of 2 over 2 plus 1 minus 2 square root of 2, right? So m over n is equal to 3 plus 2 square root of 2 over 3 minus 2 square root of 2. Okay, so m is to n is equal to 3 plus 2 square root of 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 square root of 2. Okay friends, thank you.